That shit, I finally came, y'all. No, they did not bring that all the way up here. I had to bring it up here myself. Shit heavy as hell. They said it's 100 pounds, man. Can you believe that? But y'all already see, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Got the Redeye hood. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get it painted though. I don't know, to be honest. I might just rock the matte black look for a little bit. And then until I finally get it painted, then yeah. But to be honest with you, I don't even know. There goes Zeus in the cut right there. The real challenge is how the hell I'm gonna get it to the shop, y'all? This big ass hood, let alone the box, is not fitting in the car, bro. So the only way to get it to the shop is to put it on the car. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all not gonna believe this. Hold on, I gotta show y'all my little setup real quick. You know what I'm saying? It's the house. I mean, it's my little action figures, or whatever you want to call it, or whatever, dolls, whatever. I don't care, but I had to show y'all that real quick. But yo, I'm so excited. I thought the hood was gonna come matte black, but it's already gloss black. It's already gloss black, so we straight, we lit. Like, I don't even need to waste money painting it. It already came the color I wanted it anyway. So all I'm gonna do is just add my satin black stripes. You know what I'm saying? Keep that same look and call it a day. But I'm definitely about to install this right now, y'all. Hold on. All right, y'all. We teleported downstairs. I ain't gonna lie, man. Zeus looking real good, man. I was just talking about it earlier, how like I don't appreciate my car like enough because I drive it all the time. But it's like when you look at like how far this car has come, like for those of y'all who know me from Instagram, know me in real life, and just like if you know me just from YouTube alone and you look at some of the shorts of what the car used to look like before with just a regular narrow body with no stripes, no blue, no nothing, it's like, yo, this car has definitely come like a super long way. We still got some more additions we're gonna add to the car too. But yeah, before I start anything, I need to take this hood off and then put the new one on. I'm not gonna lie, the dimensions of the other hood look kind of like wider, so I'm definitely gonna need to do like some sort of test fit just to make sure it actually does fit. If not, then we can adjust that. I'm probably gonna have to take like the lining out of this one and probably see if I can fit it on the other one. But yeah, before I do anything, I'm definitely about to move my car because I don't want to hit they car. So I'm gonna move it right here in that location. And 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all. Move the car. We about to pop the hood, do what we do, bring the other hood down, and see what's up. You know what I mean? I can never find it on the first try. That shit annoying. Gotta show y'all what Zeus is looking like under the hood. You know what I'm saying? I don't pop it too often, but yeah, it's kind of dirty. I gotta clean this up, man. But we still looking good. We still looking right. Yeah, man, I'm not gonna bore y'all with this part. I just really want to just show y'all the car. It's been a little minute since I made my last video, but yeah, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take the lining out of here. I'm gonna add it to the other hood. Actually probably about to do that right now, and then yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Oh yeah, before I forget, if y'all ever installing a new hood, most of them don't. I don't know if all of them don't, but most of them for sure don't come with this. So you're gonna have to transfer this over to the new hood, obviously. And yeah, so this for sure, take this out and then reconnect everything. So when you pulling all of this stuff out, make sure you pull it out, you know what I'm saying, carefully. These like little flower looking things, so that way, you know what I'm saying, you can put it back into the new hood. You don't want to have to buy what you don't need. Well, you don't want to buy what you need. Save money. So use what you already have there if it works, and keep it pushing. But all right, I'll be back though.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. The hood is on the car. We are good. I just wanted to pick up the camera before it got too dark out here, but yo, that looked hard, yo. I ain't even gonna lie to you. And I actually ended up lying. So two things. First thing, this is definitely not gloss black. Don't worry about the fingerprints. I'm gonna get those cleaned up here in a minute. But, and I gotta fix it anyway. I gotta clean this up too. It's like mad, like gaps right here and everything. But, yo, it still look good, man. It still look good. It looked like you don't even really need that like little inner lining. It wouldn't even fit on this hood. So, I just put the hood on itself. But yo, this is too clean, man. Like it just looked a little, don't worry about that. It just looked like a different car now. I ain't even gonna hold you. Eventually I'm gonna put the stripes on here, for sure. And then I'm gonna add these pinstripes, on the hood. It's gonna look exactly basically how it looked before. It's just the hood itself is gonna be black. But yeah, I think this is different, man. This is hard. You can't even lie, man. I'm like at a loss for words, because it's like when you so excited about something, you're gonna buy it, you're gonna install it and do what you gotta do. But yeah, man, this is the hood, man. I'm so happy, man. Even if it's not gloss black, it's cool. It still look good. I'm gonna clean it up and just shine it up, you know what I mean? But yo, we done, man. Shit, we done. Yo, even inside the cabin, like, of the car, like, it just looked good. Like, it still looked the same, but, you know, obviously it has those, you know, I don't even know. What do you even call those? Like, people call them vents, air ducts, heat extractors. You can call them all different types of names, but, yo, it really looked good, man. Like, yo, I cannot, bro. Y'all probably think I'm gassing it, but, like, bruh, I'm so happy, man. I'm gonna wait till it get a little darker out, so that way I can go take some gas station videos. You know, gas station lighting is different out here. If you know, you know. But yeah, man. I'm just, oh man, yo, I'm thankful, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. You know what I'm saying? Cause this ain't the end of the video yet. I'm just talking. But yeah, it's just like, man, I've been wanting to put that on the car for a very long time, and like I finally just pulled the trigger and was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do it. You know what I mean? I also, for people who follow me on Instagram, I also installed new side markers. They the same color. It's just the whole thing actually lights up. You can get them on Amazon. They only cost me like 30 bucks, 30, 40 bucks, something like that. But yeah, these are red in the back, and then in the front, they still the amber color. But yeah, the whole thing lights up. But I'll show y'all that a little bit later once it get darker out. But son, yeah, man, summer about to go crazy. I do not own any rights to any music played in this video whatsoever. There's music playing in the background, no copyright. So yeah, as y'all can see, man, we looking good, man. I put my little pinstriping on the car for now, just to give it a little flavor. But yeah, man, like the car is looking real good underneath these gas station lights. I'm probably about to go to Wawa though, because they playing this music mad loud, and then this car decided to park next to me. But yeah, man, honestly, I like that look. It's fire, you know what I mean? Like, it's different. It's definitely gonna look right for the summer too. So yeah, man, I can't wait, man. Stay tuned. Yo, y'all missed it. This dude at Sheets was like, Hellcat. I'm like, bro, it's crazy. I just put the hood on and people already think it's a Hellcat. Honestly, people thought it was a Hellcat before, so it really don't even matter. But nah, I just felt I had to share that. That shit was funny. All right, y'all. Yeah, we made it to Wawa. As you can hear, there's no music playing whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got to worry about copyright here at Wawa. That's why I like Wawa, man. Shout out Wawa, man. Hey, I always shout y'all out every time in my video, man. If y'all watching this, please sponsor me, man. I definitely need some free stuff. But anyway, yeah, man, back to, you know, the content. Zeus is honestly looking real good. Tell me what y'all think about the hood, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, be honest. You know what I mean? This Redeye hood honestly cost me, it's close to $800. This came from eBay too, so, you know what I'm saying? It's not a bad price considering the fact that I think at one point they were going for like $1,000. So, I mean, I'm happy for it. I'm happy about it. So, but yeah, I'm gonna shoot like a quick little music video for y'all. Yeah, man, stay tuned.
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up.
100 racks in my Marys, bitch, I said the way. Fight that bitch right off a perk, make her ride the way. It's for the odds if you see me look the other way. They talking down, but it don't matter, I'm forever paid. I can show you love, I can show you different. Fuck them other niggas, baby gon' win it. Cause I know you sick and tired of the same shit. I'm talking money like they do not speak my language. You look good, you should take it off. Tryna tell me different, but I know what you want. You ain't gotta say much. A nigga mess with you ain't nigga dangerous. Lot of fakes, lot of snakes. Pussy stay away before I bust your brain. Thinking that you say.
All right, y'all. Yeah, man, we back. Yeah, I mean, that's probably gonna really be the end of the video. I really just wanted to show y'all I got the hood. Obviously, I installed it. Listen, one thing about me is if I get anything new, I'm not about to sit here and wait around to get it done. Unless it's a package thing and everything coming in pieces and then you install it all together, that's understandable. But when I get something in the mail, I'm installing it, man. I'm not about to waste time. Summer is upon us and we got to get right. You know what I'm saying? Zeus got to get the summer body going. But yeah, one more thing I wanted to show y'all, honestly, before we ended it. Hold on. Instagram I already know, but check it out. Peep the side marker. Yeah, man. They light up all the way too. That's the real music you need to play in these videos, man. Stop playing with them, man. But all right, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. I appreciate y'all. Again, like always, I love y'all, I respect y'all. Thank you so much for watching, man. Stay tuned for the next video. I don't know what the video gonna be, but until next time, man. But hey, it's your boy Zeus signing out, man. Peace.